Hi, this is Sara Levin, the Artful Inker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm here with a one simple trick video for how to keep your embossing paste from drying out. So it comes in a Ziploc bag, or if yours was not in a Ziploc bag, find one that will fit. And then when you remove the lid, leave the foil on and just cut an opening. We'll get to that in a second. But here is the trick. I have a piece of press and seal that I put over the top. I had been using just regular cling wrap, and the press and seal works better. But I open a flap in the foil, and this is all still moist down in here, and I opened this months and months ago. So I put that back in place, put my press and seal on, make sure it's clinging, and then put my lid on and then back into my Ziploc bag, and it's moist for the next time that I use it. Hope this helps you using your embossing paste. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell if you would like to receive notifications of my next videos. Have a great day. Bye.